Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. So I'm really looking forward to this video. I've not been able to film now in 2 weeks, which is a really long time for me. Normally post videos every single day. It takes a lot for me not to post anything. I've been quite ill, I've had allergies that's made my eyelids dry and flaky, so I've not been putting makeup on. Then I had that sty on my eye as well, so I thought it was best not to put makeup on because obviously I didn't want to infect the makeup. Then I brought my memory card, so I had to order another one from eBay, and it's just come today. So I'm filming quite a few videos, so you will see me in this outfit quite a lot, just because I want to catch up on some videos. And I thought the first video we would do a look with this beautiful palette here. So it's the Colourpop Frozen 2 Elsa Eyeshadow palette, and I've got the Colourpop Baby Got Peach as well that I want to use. I want to do 3 days 3 looks with each of them, but this one I've just wanted to use so much since I bought it, and I haven't obviously been able to use it, so it just looks like that. Isn't she adorable? So yeah, we're going to be using this. I really don't know what to do. Right, so in each day I think I'm going to go row by row. So today I think we'll concentrate on these, like on the first row, and then tomorrow maybe on the second row, and then the last day on the third row. So yeah, I think we'll do that, and I might use like shades like this one to deepen it out, because we're going to be using this shade here. So let me just get some brushes. So what I've not done is I've not put a base down, and I normally use this. So we're just going to put this down. Normally I use a brush, but we're just going to go in with a finger. Right, mirror. Been so long guys, so long since I put eyeshadow on. Well, it's not been that long, it's been 2 weeks. And I've just done a haul video, a Glossier haul video, so that one will go up before this one does. I want to try and put them up in order that I filmed them, but obviously they've been filmed the same day. And I'm really happy with the products that I chose from Glossier, really happy, and I'm really glad I got to try some products from the brand as well. So that's enough for the white base. Then as always we're going to go in with the Too Faced White Chocolate shade, which I also need to do my project pan update on the palette and on the products that I've been using. That might go up a little bit later. I think I'll do the palette one soon, but the actual project pan update I think I'm going to do in a few days. I want to get more use out of the Makeup Obsession and Imagination palette, so maybe I'll give it an extra week and do it next week, just purely because I haven't been using it that much. Right, so that's that. So now then we can actually go into this beautiful palette. So on first impressions, on packaging, you really can't get a nicer palette than this, can you? Know what I mean? Look at it. So yeah, that's that. If it doesn't fall off my lap, my nose is looking really red. Okay. So I'm going to go in then with, I can't make out these names, you know, I think it's called Fire, this one here. And I'm going to go in with this Real Techniques based shadow brush. So I just want to reach back here and get my colour switch. Okay. And I still don't know whether to get the Anna one, guys. If I get it, I think I'd only be getting it because it's a collection. I don't know if the colour store is for me really. I don't really wear warm coloured eyeshadows anymore. It's either neutral or like bold eyeshadows, bold coloured eyeshadows. So we're really just going from one extreme to the other. This is blending out really nice. It's a really nice neutral shade. Yeah, that's really pretty. Let's zoom in. Right, so in the pan it does have a little bit of kick up. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a brown neutral with a rosy pink undertone. It's really pretty. It would look really pretty just over the entire eyelid, I think. Right, and then I'm just going to go in with my finger with Northern Lights, this one here, which looks like that on the finger. So it's just a really simple eye look. I might have to spritz it on the brush. It's looking nice. It's like a duochrome. But it's not really, the shade isn't pigmented. I mean, it's really nice. I would say it's like a rosy tone with like gold reflex in it. It is nice, but I do like it a little bit more pigmented. Before I go in with my setting spray, I think I want to put this white in the inner corner, this one here, and this one is called Cuddle Close. I'll just try going in with this smoky brush. This one's a duochrome as well. It's white with pink reflect. I'm just taking it where that other shimmer, I'm just making them meet in the middle basically. This one is super soft. Feels like maybe it's one of those Super Shock eyeshadows. Right, let me get my setting spray and then we'll try and get that other shade a little bit more pigmented. Okay, so I'm using the Primark Glow Intensity. And then we're just going to use this side of this duo brush from Primark. I'm going to put plenty on. I'm going to see if we can get it more pigmented. It's not looking likely. No, it's not getting any more pigmented. That's a shame, that. I mean, to some people this would be enough pigmentation, but to me I'd want it a little bit more pigmented than that. I'd really like to know what this white would look like all over the eyelid. I should have used that today, maybe another time. But yeah, tomorrow we're going to concentrate on this row down here, which I'm really looking forward to. Maybe I could use that white with that light glitter as well. I think they'd look pretty together. And then on the third day, this row here. So I just need to put down a lash line shade, which is obviously going to be that brown shade here, Fire. I'm surprised that's called Fire though. I mean, it's not kind of a bright shade. I thought one of these down here might be called Fire because of red, but no. Right, so that'll do. I think though I really want to deepen it out here with one of the other shades. Right, so let's use this BH Cosmetics brush. It's the 122. Which one shall I use? Spindrift. I think that's the darkest one. Now, I wouldn't normally use these kind of shades. I normally steer away from them, but I want to see what it looks like deepened out. It's looking nice. And then maybe do a bit of blending. Right, and I'll take that off and we'll blend over the rest. Okay, and then we will go back in with the white chocolate and put that on the brow bone. If I can find the brush, I'll just use this brush. The Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. Right, so let me go and grab a lipstick and also my mascara, and then I will come back. Okay, so let's tie line first. I'm just using what I always use, the Too Faced Love Eyeliner in Perfect Black. And then I'm going to go in with my Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume. I feel like I need to put some more of that shimmer all over the lid. It just isn't doing it for me, guys. It's not cutting it. Right, let's try a little bit more. It's not going to get any more pigmented, but let's see. I've already made a mark on the packaging. No! See, this is why I prefer plastic. You can clean plastic off. I know it's not really good for the environment, but you can clean it off where you can't cardboard. Right, and I think I'll go back into Cuddle Close as well with my little finger and pop a little bit more on the inner corners. That's the shade it is there. Yeah, that's definitely brightened it. I think that would look gorgeous all over the lid. Maybe we'll do 4 days with this palette and not 3. So let's pop this back in the box. I don't care if the outer carton gets dirty. I don't really want the inner carton getting dirty. Some mascara's falling down there. For lipstick, I want to use the Australis Colour Inject in Samba. I want to see if it's still okay for me to use, just purely because I've had it a very long time, and I'm not too sure if it's still alright for me to use. I don't think it is. That is a lovely colour, I just don't think it is. I felt something in the lipstick. Right, I'm going to leave it on for now. I mean, it doesn't smell like Play-Doh like they say lipsticks smell when they go off, but I think I'm going to declutter that. Yeah, so this is what the overall look looks like. I really like the way it's turned out just off 4 eyeshadows. I think it's a beautiful, beautiful palette on first impressions. I would just like this fire shade, no not fire, I would just like Northern Lights to be a little bit more pigmented. It's really not that pigmented. I mean, I've managed to build it up on the lid, as you can see, but it's not as pigmented as I would like it anyway. If you have the palettes, let me know your thoughts. I do like a really pigmented shimmer, almost metallic, wet foiled look, and that just isn't it. It's not cutting it there. I'm hoping that the rest of the eyeshadows aren't going to be the same, otherwise I'll be disappointed with the palette, and it will be more a kind of me displaying it piece, and I bought it to use obviously, as well as look good. So guys, this concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world. If you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and become part of our crazy little fam. It would mean the absolute world to me. Please like, it really does help out the channel. Share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.